Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Amazon Fire Stick Stats generation. So I am going to unbox this and let's see what is there inside the box. So this is the brand new box packed Fire Stick third generation. So there are so many logos and online platform video channels. So this is the first look. This is Fire TV Stick, simply your TV experience. This is the remote and this is the device here. Amazon is written here. So this is sealed piece. This is not even opened. So at the back side you can see great performance, picture and Dolby Atmos, thousands of channels, apps and Alexa skills, latest Alexa voice remote with TV control. Do more with your TV. Just ask Alexa. Alexa find comedies, rewind 30 seconds, watch Mirzapur. If you say command, voice command, this will work here. So this is the tag here. You can see name of the commodity, Fire Stick TV third generation, net quantity 1 unit, MRP is 5,000 rupees. Content inside the box, 1 number Fire TV Stick, voice remote, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender, 2 numbers, AAA battery, and further details are here. If you want, you can pass and read the content here. And this side it is written what's included. Again the same thing is written. So what is needed if you want to use this Alexa third generation, this is the minimum requirement. High speed internet with Wi-Fi, HD TV with HDMI input. That's it. This is the requirement. Preset app buttons may vary. That is fine. So the minimum requirement is internet with Wi-Fi and HD TV with HDMI projector. Even if you have projectors, you can use it with projector as well. The projector should have HDMI input. That's it. So now without wasting any time, let's unbox this. So there is a sticker here. So this is the seal. Now this is open. So now after removing the seal, we have to open the box here, and just by pulling like this it will come out. So this is the internal things. So let's take out one by one. This is the main Fire Stick. You can see even the seal is not opened. This is the main Fire Stick with HDMI. And this will have this has micro USB input to power this, and this is the USB cable type A to micro USB, and further we have this voice assistance Alexa remote. So this is the remote. All right, now we have this HDMI extender. So this is the HDMI extender. HDMI will go inside this Fire Stick. HDMI will go inside. So this extends the HDMI cable and this will go to the TV or your projector. So this is the purpose of this extender cable. And further there will be user manual here. This is the user manual. So you can go through to set up this and how to use it will be written in this. So you can use this user manual, and I think batteries will be there inside. So battery is here, I think, and the adapter is also here. So this is to power up. This is the USB adapter and Amazon is written here. The specifications, it is written here. So this is 5 volt. Input to this adapter is 100 to 240 volts. This works with 50 to 60 hertz. 0.2 amperes is the power consumption of this adapter. And the output is 5 volt, 1 ampere, that is 5 watts totally. So this is the power adapter and this is the battery. The battery also belongs to Amazon. The branding of Amazon is there in the battery. AAA size 1.5 volt. So these are the contents of the Fire Stick third generation. Let me conclude by showing you the products. This is the adapter. This is the USB to micro USB cable, remote, voice assistance remote, HDMI extender, and this is the Fire Stick third generation itself. This is the user manual and these are the batteries. If you have full HD TV or if you have any TV with HDMI input, and if you have projector, any projector with HDMI input, then this Fire Stick third generation you can use it. So the main purpose of this Fire Stick third generation is if you have normal TV without any smart things like Android, now you can use this Fire Stick to convert it to smart. So this product is to convert your normal TV or normal projector to smart gadget. So smart, it will become smart TV or smart projector. So that is the purpose of this. So the prices varies based on the offers, based on the festivals, based on the normal days. It keeps on changing. So this is purchased for around 3,500. Alright. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.